What a morning. So cool to get up so early. Rickshaw driver picked us up at 5:30 a.m. and took us to this lovely mountain to see the sunrise, and there's this temple at the bottom of the hill. Well, not at the bottom, at the top of the hill actually, but just not at the very top. And they are chanting 24/7, all day, all night. So magical. Really, really fantastic place. There's chili pakoda. You take a green chili, dip it in the batter, and fry it in the oil. Look at that. It doesn't even look like the one we had in Ireland.
No, it doesn't look like the one we had in Ireland.
It was like just like a pancake.
Yes.
Oh, this looks so much better. Masala dosa. And we also got that chili pakoda.
So good.
This place, Shirisha Hotel. Amazing. I thought I don't like dosas, but I never tried a good one, and I love them now. Fantastic. And for 3 dosas, and for 3 chai, and for 3 chili pakoda, 230 rupees.
230, wow.
So it's like 70, like €1 per person. Amazing.
Very good, yeah, it's super delicious, so nice.
Banana harvest, covered with leaves. Still green.
They come banana, come flower, come small.
Okay.
This is the end of the banana. Flower end up, they cut flower. We cook banana flour curry.
So cool. So, for example, after the harvest, you cut the big one, yeah,
They cut
and you leave the only small one,
one small one.
and it grows like this in
Yeah.
1 year.
Yeah.
Wow.
After 7 years, complete all broken. They put new plantation.
Cool. And for new plantation, how do you cut a branch?
No, they are already baby here. No, we take out. We keep different place. When cleaning, we put one by one.
Okay.
Whoa, so cool.
Oh wow.
It's drained water.
Look at the surroundings here. Looks like another planet. So many holes in the rock. It's actually a riverbed. During monsoon season, it becomes a riverbed. You can hear it, but you can't see it. It's under the rocks, yeah? Flowing. Look at the shapes of them. So amazing. Beautiful. What a view, isn't it? So many temples. They're everywhere. Like literally everywhere. Wherever you look, there is some kind of building.
Nothing there. I'll put that back on my back just in case. I'm sure.
Just give her the bottle. She knows how to drink it. No?
More coming.
Yeah, I know.
Hello.
The black ones I trust a lot more.
So really cool day today, and I was just thinking, really, we always used to go everywhere by ourselves, you know, no guides, no anything. If you go to a museum, well, if there's a free guide, you take it. If there is no free guide, you don't book a one. And for hiking, for anything, for sightseeing, we would usually never take a guide. But I'm kind of changing my mind now, because especially here in India, when those tour guides are not really that expensive, it's really cool to go with locals and see, you know, the places that you wouldn't probably visit. The place where we went for sunrise, we wouldn't go by ourselves. or to that dosa place, to breakfast place. Yeah, it's a place where locals come and eat every day, and they know it's good and they know it's cheap. So yeah, you wouldn't find that. Maybe you would, but you have to go and do your research. While here in India, when it's cheap, you can just pay a local, support local business, and go see around. See the things that not everyone can see, and try good local food. Yeah, brilliant day. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.